So thank you, ma'am, for calling me and giving me this valuable chance. Have a comfortable seat. वो जीवन भी क्या जो किसी के काम ना आ सका, और वो इंसान भी क्या जो अपनी खुद की पहचान न बना सका. So first of all, a very warm good morning, everyone. Good morning. I myself, Riyagbe, I am from Adroit Academy, and here I am gonna to present a very fantastic, full of enthusiastic and bombastic topic, that is humanity. But first of all, I would like to wish you all Happy Parents' Day. Not you, but all of your parents. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Humanity. Let's get started. Humanity. Humanity is the quality of being kind and understanding. It's a feeling for the helpless person for the help. It's not only a feeling, but it's a quality which makes a person great. You know, humanity is our social duty for the helpless, for the vulnerable persons. It's a pleasant feeling between the helper and helpless, you know, which create not a blood relation, but a human relation between two peoples. You know, humanity is the best thing which can make you best. Human is the best species in this world. Every species can understand, every species can feel, but the thing which make the human different from the other species, that is humanity. To give someone water, to give someone food, to give some rupees to someone. Is it fully humanity? No, not at all. Because it's not fully humanity. Because in this epoch, in this era, the people are giving this all things for only on showing off. And some people are here who doesn't do these all things forever to show. It's not fully humanity. Humanity means keeping a trust and a belief and a positive feeling inside your heart for the helpless persons. Stand with them in their poor situation. Understand other struggle, understand other problem, understand other feeling. And stand with them in their poor situation and help them in their poor condition. This is humanity. You know, guys, ladies and gentlemen, there is no higher religion than human service. To work for the common good, it is the greatest creed. You know, in our Hindu, Muslim and other scripture, it has written that to work for the common good, to serve the helpless person, it is our greatest creed. Who helps other, who supports other, God helps him as well. Who alleviates others' problem, God solves his problem. So, you should always help others. You know, guys, only there is humanity, which that God takes care of. Only humanity can open your heaven door. But, do we all have humanity? Guys, we all are the human, but do we all have the humanity?
Yes.
No, not at all. You must have heard about the Pahalgam attack. Have you heard?
Yes.
Yes. So, if there is humanity in all the peoples, so it will not have been the Pahalgam attack. If there is humanity, so why the brother is killing his own brother for the land and for the property? Why? Where is humanity, guys? Where is humanity? Who knows how many children are killing by his own parents only just because that they are girls and the stomach is like this? Is this humanity?
No.
No, not at all, guys. I would like to share some lines about the humanity, that which type of humanity is going on in our surrounding. May I share?
Yes.
ये दौर भी अजीब है जहाँ कुत्तों को पाला माँ बाप को निकाला जा रहा है. ये दौर भी अजीब है जहाँ डस्टबिन में रोटी माँ बाप को खरी खोटी सुनाई जाती है. ये दौर भी अजीब है जहाँ अपने तो दूर लेकिन पराए पास हो गए हैं. ये दौर भी अजीब है जहाँ बचपन से साथ रहने वाले माँ बाप दुश्मन और कुछ दिनों से चैटिंग करने वाले खास हो गए हैं. ये दौर भी अजीब है जहाँ अपनों को छोड़ा परायों से नाता जोड़ा जा रहा है. ये दौर भी अजीब है जहाँ रिश्तों को तोड़ा और संस्कारों को छोड़ा जा रहा है. ये दौर अजीब है, बहुत ही अजीब है. बदल गया है इंसान हैवान में, छिपी है चालबाजी उसकी हर इंसान में। इस दौर में हैवान की हैवानियत तो बढ़ रही है, लेकिन खत्म होती जा रही है इंसानियत इंसान में। There is no humanity in all the peoples. We all are the human, guys. We all are the human. But in this epoch, the humanity is coming to an end from the peoples. If we all are human, so guys, ladies and gentlemen, if we all are the human, so we all should have the humanity. But there is no humanity in the peoples. If we will have no humanity, so what will be the difference between the demon and human? There will be no difference. Humanity has 5 qualities. You know, ladies and gentlemen, listen to me carefully, because humanity has 5 qualities: empathy, compassion, connection, emotion, and 5th is cooperation. And if you have these qualities, so congratulations, you are the human and humanity is still alive within you. And in the last, I would like to say that be human and keep humanity. That's all about my topic. Thank you so much.